Alright, so this is question 9. Notice we have everything lined up already, which is good. But, so we're trying to find same variable, same coefficient, different signs. We do not have that at all, right? So this is an example where we're going to have to multiply in order to get the same coefficient and different signs. So whenever you need to multiply, there's always different options you could do, right? So I could either try to get, I have a -7 here, so I could try to get a +7 here. In order to do that, I would need to multiply this whole equation by 7, right? Or I could turn this 5 into a 10 if I multiply it by 2, right? But I would need one of them to be negative. So I could turn this 5 into a -10 if I multiply it by -2. So you have some options. I'm gonna do it both ways. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna multiply by 7, and the second one I'm gonna multiply by -2. So let me copy this really quick. Okay. So on top I'm gonna multiply by the, no, that is not a straight line. On the top one, I'm going to multiply by the 7, right? Okay. Let's hope I can fit all this. Alright, so I'm multiplying this top equation by 7. So I'm going to rewrite it under here. So 5 times 7 is 30. 30x plus, oh yeah, don't forget we're distributing here. So 7 times, pretend it's like a 1 in front of that y. So 7 times 1 is 7y equals 7 times 9 is 63. So now I'm looking at these two equations and I'm going to combine both of these, right? So I have 10 plus 30, which will give me 40x. Oh, my y's cancel because they're opposite. And then equals -18 plus 63 should be 40. Oh, that's because this should be 35. Sorry. If you caught my mistake. Cool. Good job. Sorry, I made a mistake, y'all. It happens. Alright, so this should be 35, and then there should have been 45. So -18 plus 63 equals 45. We divide both sides by 45 to solve for x. So x equals 1. Okay? So now I'm going to plug that 1 back into one of my original equations, right? So I'm going to plug it into this equation here. So 5, instead of writing x, I'm going to write 1 plus y equals 9. 5 times 1 is 5 plus y equals 9. So now I'm solving for y, which means I want to get rid of this 5. So if this is a +5, I need to subtract 5 from both sides. It cancels. I'm left with y equals, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So my answer this way will be 1, 4. Now if I'm solving it the other way, and the other option was multiplying the top by -2, right? So I'm going to multiply the top by -2. I'm distributing. I'm going to rewrite it underneath it here. So -2 times 5 would be -10x, right? -2 times, pretend that's a -1 here. So -2 times -1 will be -2 times +1 will be -2y equals, and -2 times +9 would be -18. Okay? So now I'm combining these two equations. Now my x's are what's opposite, right? So they're what's going to get eliminated. So they cross out. -7y minus 2y, so it's going to stay negative. It's going to be -9y equals -18 minus 18 is going to be -36. And now I'm solving for y, so I'm dividing both sides by -9. You cancel out, I'm left with y equals, and -36 divided by -9 is going to be +4. So if you notice, so far so good, right? We got y on the bottom, doing it this way, and we got y equals 4, the same thing, doing it the other way. So now I'm going to take I'm just going to plug it into my top equation to solve for x. So I have 5x plus, now instead of writing y, I'm going to write 4 equals 9, right? So now I'm solving for x. So I want to get rid of everything besides x. So first I want to get rid of this +4. So I would do -4 from both sides. So it cancels. I bring down my 5x equals 9 minus 4 is 5, right? Then I divide by 5. Cancels out. X would equal 1. So my answer would be 1, 4, which is the same. So again, there's going to be a variety of ways you can do it, but you're still going to end up with the same answer if you do it correctly. Okay?